Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset a suburban RV water heater and explain why it may suddenly stop working. Most of the time, a suburban RV water heater shuts down because a built-in safety switch has tripped. This usually happens when the unit overheats or detects an unsafe condition. Suburban water heaters use two reset buttons, one for the electric heating element and one for the propane system. Both are located behind the exterior access panel on the outside of your RV. To reset the heater safely, start by turning off both electric and propane power. Then remove the exterior access panel to expose the internal components. You'll see two small reset buttons, usually red. Press each button firmly until you feel a click. This resets both safety circuits. After that, restore power and propane, then monitor the heater to confirm it's heating water normally again. Before resetting, always check a few things. Make sure the water heater tank is full, never run it dry. Verify that bypass valves are set correctly, propane levels are sufficient, and electrical connections are secure. Many suburban models also have a hidden electric on-off switch behind the access panel that must be turned on. If the reset light stays on, or the heater keeps shutting down, it's best to contact a qualified RV technician to avoid safety risks.